Welcome back. We are doing dance skill basics today. We're working on the Roger Rabbit. Let's go. Follow me. I'll break it down later. Woo! That's a good little warm-up right there. Okay. Let me hit that pause right now. Okay, so the drills to getting your Roger Rabbit. First thing I want you to do, I'll face sideways. This is my left leg, back, and right now I'm just gonna step down on the 1, 6, 7, 8, boom, 6, 7, 8, boom. Now 2 times I'm gonna go 1, 2, okay? Simple as that, just follow me. 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. Now, as I step down, boom, right then, my right knee comes up. 1, okay? So it's not, it's more like a, happens simultaneously. So it's not here and then come up. It's at the same time. Does that make sense? So not this. So don't hit and then go. It's not a chain reaction. It looks like a chain reaction, but it happens at the same time. 1, okay? So it goes 1 and. Right when this comes down, it's not a chain reaction. Again, it's not here, 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 here. It's 1 and. They happen at the same time. So, let's drill that together. Once, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, okay? So let's go to 2, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, okay? So, if you rewind back to the beginning of the video, actually, if you don't want to do that with me right now. We're gonna do 3, and I'm gonna clap. Looks like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and clap. Let's try that with music. Here we go, dance drills basics. This is basics, guys. 6, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, clap. Good. One more time. 5, 6. Ha, ha, ha. Immediately I turn to this side, okay? And I'm gonna go my right leg up, stomp it, okay? 1, 2, okay? 5, 6, quick. 1, 2. Now it's the same thing, but the opposite side, okay? My left knee comes up. Let me pause the music right here. Let's try it again. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Okay? Let's go to 3, 3, and then clap. 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, clap. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, clap. Okay? Now, we're gonna go to my right first, immediately to my left. It goes like this. 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and da, 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 da. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? So, if you're getting that, great. What I want you to do now is throw in your arms. Now, one of the things that you can kind of imagine, what is the arm doing exactly? Here's an analogy. Imagine you're sitting on a wheelchair and you're pushing your wheels. Pushing the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of visual that I try to teach to my students. If that helps you, use it. If it doesn't, use something else. Okay? So whatever you see me do, imagine something that you could copy, you could kind of relate to right here. Now, obviously, you know, I'm doing some chest as well. So I'm not just doing this, I'm adding that chest with it. Does that make sense? There's so many little movements, but when I try to teach it, I can't throw it all at you at the same time because it's almost like too much information. It's like drinking from a fire hose. It's just too much. But if you take a little bit at a time and rewatch this video, you're gonna pick up little things. All right, so now what we need to do is link up the right side to left side. This is a little bit tricky. The first exercise is a little bit easier compared to now. So I want you to really, really focus now, all right? So going back to the first side, you're gonna go and 1 and 2. Instead of putting the feet down, watch this. I'm gonna go and 1 and 2 and. On the end, I'm kicking it back. One more time. 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Immediately go to the other side. All right, one more time. I'm gonna face same way. 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so that's the thing that you probably have to rewind back a few more times to try. So let's do this together a few more times. 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, that's 2 8 counts. Let's try that with music. Here we go. Hope you're ready. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 5 and again. Again with me, come on. 2, 4. Again. All right. I was just reminded of, looks a little bit, if you kind of stand stiff like this, what does this remind you of? Kind of reminds me of like river dancing, because they keep the upper body really still. So if you do that, that's kind of reminds you of that. But obviously when you're doing it with the hip hop feel, you got the whole arm and the whole body, the whole neck, everything's moving, okay? But the leg wise, it does remind you of the river dance or clogging. Anyways, we got the 2. Now we got to get to the 1, okay? So it's the same thing. Once you know how to do the 2, switching to the 1 is just training, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to train it. Here we go. 7, 8, and 1. On immediately after the 1, you're gonna bring back on the end. Okay, let's just try that. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Facing this side. I'm gonna try it again. 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Okay. I'm gonna go to 4 now. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Facing the camera one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. One more time facing this way. This time I'm gonna go all the way to 8. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, Roger Rabbit. One more time, without music, keeping it slow. One of the things that you might find out is your balance might be shaky. All right, so if you have a chair on the side or something to grab, so make sure your balance is strong, you're stable, then do this. Because a lot of times when you're not stable, you're trying to catch your balance, your timing goes off. So stabilize that first, and as you practice more and more, your balance should get better and better. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna count just a little bit faster. We're gonna go for 1 8 count, but singles now. Ready? 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Let's try it out with music now. Here we go. Next song. Funky. Okay, that's good, okay. Alright, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. And 1, and 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Good, good. Now prepare your mind. We're gonna go for 2 8 counts now. Ready? 5, 6, 7. And 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6. All right, 2 8 counts. Good, good, good. Let's go for 4 8 counts. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 2. Last one. All right, that was 4 8 counts. Woo! Let me catch my breath. Hopefully you guys are doing the same thing. If you're in shape, you don't need to catch your breath, and it's all good. All right, here we go. Now, one thing I want to show you is when I first did N1 right here, on the end, I just kicked back. So this is, I want to say, the next level, okay? Once you know how to do that well, you want to add this on, which is an extra hop. Watch the extra hop. I go N1. Actually, on the end, instead of here, I'm going to hop. It's N, okay? The difference, watch the difference. Instead of N1, it's N1. See that extra N? One more time. It's not just the N here, it's N, okay? So watch that. Just watch. 7, 8. N1, N2, N3. Every time I say the N, I'm hopping as well, as opposed to N1, N2. You see that? On the N, I didn't hop. Now I want you to do the extra hop. So that's a little bit added thing that you're gonna do to make the whole thing hop. This way, I think it's a little bit easier in the sense that you could travel more, okay? So let me quickly demonstrate. If I don't hop, it goes like this, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And what you'll find is, you might go like this, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. You start moving back, okay? If you haven't noticed that already, that's what happens. Now, if you do the extra hop, you can adjust yourself and stay in one place, or even move forward, okay? So just watch. If you're gonna catch your breath, if I go, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and... You see how I'm able to keep traveling, right? It's with that extra hop on the end. So this is something that I want all my students to be able to do and practice. And just know that with that extra hop, you can do it. You can go forward, back, or the side. Let's try it. Give it a try. Here we go. This is my left leg back. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? Again, if you guys have questions, I know there should be questions, because every time I teach in the class, hands goes up, hey, you know, where do you hop and all that stuff? Ask it in the comments below, okay? Because I'm sure if you haven't seen this, or if you've seen this before and you're too afraid to ask, just ask it. Just ask it, all right? I'll help. I'll try to be able to, if I can make another video explaining all that stuff, I would, okay? But I gotta know the exact questions, all right? So let's try that with music, with the hop. If you got it, follow along with me. If you don't have it, don't worry about this section. Get the previous section. You gotta get the previous section. You gotta know how to do it without the hop and then with the hop, okay? This is progressive learning, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6 with the hop. Here we go. Again, come on. 2. All right, that's good, that's good. Woo! Okay, that one's a little bit slow, but hopefully you guys are able to get that. Slow doesn't necessarily mean easy. It's just another tempo that we have to get used to. Sometimes faster might be easier, okay? So don't get the misconception that slow is always easy. Okay, next thing we gotta do, this is higher level now. This is higher level. We're gonna go from single, single to double. Single, single, double. Which means, when I say single, you guys should remember, look at all the previous videos. You should be very familiar with single, single, double. If you haven't, check out all my other videos on the playlist. Understand single, single. But real quick, you're gonna go single as in right leg up, left leg up, and then double the right. Right, right. So single, 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 then double. Single, single, double. Okay? All right, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm gonna choose something just a little bit faster now, just to. Woo! This one's a little faster, but we could do this. Single, single, double. Let's go for 1-8 count first. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. That was a little too fast. But let's try one more time. Let me see if I can hang with that. Hopefully you guys can too. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that was almost like sprint. All right. Let me switch that out of there. This one a little better. 5, 6, 7. Hold on. We got the middle. This is the same little one that we did. All right, here we go. Let's slow it down. Single, single, double. 5, 6, 7. Let's go one more time, y'all. Come on. All right, good. Okay, guys, that's it for today. This video kind of ran maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that. Anyways, I just want to throw it out there for you guys to just practice again. This is dance drills, basics. Again, these are basic moves that I think everybody should be able to do and practice on their own. It's great for fitness. It's great for rhythm building. It's just great for overall enjoyment with the dance. All right, I hope you guys have fun with it. And again, if you guys want to help support the channel, hit that like for the YouTube algorithm, whatever algorithm means, whatever they do. Hit that like button and show me that this is something that you guys want to see, and I'll make more of it. Again, with questions, definitely don't be afraid to ask questions. I know online, I'm trying to make this channel positive. Don't be afraid of haters trying to downplay you or whatever. Again, hate's gonna hate. This is about each and every one of us making our lives better, enriching us with skills that are beneficial to our body, to our health, longevity, all that positive good stuff. So subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know how else I can help. I'm trying to be the best instructor that I can be for everybody, for our community. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.